We've got the budgie out. I don't know, I think this is gonna get smashed by something. How do you even work this? Oh, check out the action on it though. Surely a big Saratoga would eat that. Oh, Barra. Budgie's had a hit. Eat the budgie. You know you want it. Yep, there we go. Yeah, Barra! Oh no, it's a big toga. Toga on the budgie. Look at that. Bit of close up of that budgie. Yeah. That budgie got smashed. First cast, big Barra came up, boofed it. Second cast, big toga. I'm actually liking the budgie. Oh well, time to get this fish back in the water. Have a go at that. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Great. Off you go, mate. Alright, budgie. Budgie's going out again. Let's see. Let's see what else you can get. You know what the trick is to the budgie? You were right, it's the paws. The budgie. Oh, that's another toga. Oh, little toga, but it came in, it hit pretty hard. Is that a toga or a tarpon? No, it's a little toga.
Purchase your tracks today.
There's one for the tank. Pond toga. How good's the budgie? Oh yes, he's on the budgie. Oh, I think it's a sooty. Couldn't resist that dying bird. Oh, get away from that. Have a go at that. Oh, he's not happy. I'm gonna need the pliers for sure. Oh, there's a Barra. Yep. Yeah, got him. It's only little. Oh no, get away from that stick. Oh no. I'm gonna lose my budgie here. Nah, we're good. Yeah, little rat. How good's that? Barra on Topwater on the budgie. Oh, go the budgie. Oh, no. Oh, nearly lost the budgie. Whew. Grip, wash the fish. Remember to be croc white. Watch out for crocs. Oh, I was that close to losing the budgie. Would have been Devo. Go the budgie. Sweet. My final go with the budgie tonight. Oh my God. Oh, what a hit. Oh, sooty. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, yeah, I love sooties.